Hey there, dear friends, hope you're having a fantastic day today. In this tutorial, let's explore creating amazing patterns together. Let's design the sizing in 3ds Max and apply this technique in Substance 3D Painter. We'll use Marvelous Designer and CLO3D for clothing design, with CLO3D focusing on fashion, grading, and sizing. CLO3D offers a professional, comprehensive approach to fashion design. We've created a CLO3D space for you. I crafted this base pattern for you, using the measurements I've already taken. Next, I'll head to the object browser and select grading. I'll turn it on. Over in the size section, you'll see the add option waiting for us to explore. Let's dive into adding a size group with this pattern. Starting with size 36 or small, I've sketched this design. Watch as I bring it to life through animation in just a moment. I'll label this brush. Next, my plan is to... Wondering if I should tweak the pattern with another size? Alright, I'll hit the add button and draw some fresh lines. Time to give this a name and make it official before moving forward. Take a look at these colors. They're just a preview guiding us toward what's ahead. Now let's explore sizing patterns, drawing colors, and tweaking them perfectly. Feel free to adjust everything to your liking and make it truly yours. Ready to master this trick? Shall we start? Just use your patterns in the second part. Go ahead and choose the right option here, then hit the button to assign it directly to your selected pattern. Easy. Simply tap this button in the workspace to highlight the points along the pattern's outer lines. Take a look, they're visible now. These points are key elements and you can easily tweak their size right in this section. Try adjusting the algorithm, scale it up or down, and refine those points. Check out the guide point title displayed right here on screen. Absolutely, it's spot on and works like a charm every time. Alright, head over here and pick this option. Check this out, 4 options start with the first. We select Edit Grading. Once Edit Grading is applied, feel free to pick a point here. Try picking a spot like this one here. I select the top in the Properties section. Watch as the editor displays 2 tables. Feel free to tweak the distance or offset as needed. That hinges on your approach. It all depends on the tools you choose for pattern drafting. Consider this: when using your method, can you adjust a size 36 pattern to 38? Curious about the impact? Take this point, it could vary by about 1 to 2 centimeters. Dive right into adjusting the x-axis, or simply input your preferred number in this spot. For example, I set this, check this out, red color boosts it. Take a peek at this, he's revealing a fresh pattern in that section over there. Feel free to adjust the size with X or wherever necessary. Here, set it to 2 centimeters. Take a look, I've crafted this section in a striking blue shade. Moving on, feel free to hold Shift and easily pick multiple points at once for the next step. Adjust and update the numbers in the table. Do it. Next up, let's tweak the side of this pattern to get it just right. Let's adjust this now. Let me highlight this full line for the next step. For this step, I'm going to apply the offset table. Check the offset table for the ratio. Curious about the shift between 36 and 38? Take a look at writing 36 through 38. Notice how it moves 1 centimeter along the x-axis. Hold on, that's incorrect. Let's try negative. Basically, let's think about this. Hey, we've corrected that negative value. It's all good now. Again, we need to ratio 38 to 40. How much? See how it shifts? Naturally, this part adapts as well to match the change. -1 and the next line for you, I drew it. Let's tweak this spot perfectly. I'm adjusting the measurements. Notice how the updated pattern is complete, with a vibrant colored line drawn for clarity. Time to check out the next Edit Curve feature. Curious about Edit Curve grading? Let's explore. Simply click this button when it pops up. Curve parts pattern gives you some points, they add these red points. You can see here. Take a look at this. When we clicked on Edit Grading, notice how only the main points were displayed for us. Now check this out. When we choose Edit Curve in Corona Renderer, it adds extra points, allowing us to tweak and fine-tune the curve as needed. Time to tweak the dimensions a bit and make sure everything fits just right in our scene. For example, I'll tweak this a bit. Here, I'll add a quick touch to enhance it. These dimensions connect directly to the technique. Diving into the art of pattern drafting, we uncover the foundation of creating precise designs that bring our 3D visions to life. Moving on, let's explore Edit Grading, which now differs from earlier, marked in parentheses as H. Dive into this feature. Selecting the button reveals key pattern points like Beeston. This won't work on fresh pattern points, unfortunately. It's designed for you, fully customizable. Easily adjust their values across two distinct sections. At first, we focused solely on the core elements, two sections. Moving forward, let's explore ideas for fresh patterns. Great news! We've got everything ready to dive into creating those stunning new patterns together. The last option is Edit Curve Grading exactly. Similar to before, these are your spherical points. The core design stays fixed. Check this out, you can add fresh curve points and patterns. Take a look, go ahead and adjust the point you just made. See that? I've shifted the earlier point just now. Hold on, I've got to adjust this other point as well. Discover how simple it is to craft patterns in various sizes with this handy feature. Design and render with ease. Stay tuned for future tutorials on exporting patterns where I'll share this valuable technique. I'm thrilled if this helps and inspires your creativity. Goodbye.